Good day, Divergence Traders. It's Jason here, the Divergence Trader, here once again to check out the setups. And we had some really good setups today, ladies and gentlemen, on the, on the NQ and the ES anyway. So we're now looking on the 5-minute NASDAQ. I traded the 2-minute today because I just kind of had this feeling that it wasn't going to trend right out of the box. And it didn't. It chopped. It chopped a lot of people up. So anyway, I don't even see a trade in here on the 5-minute. Yeah, you could kind of stretch it here, but yeah, I wouldn't even bother. Let's go to the 2-minute where the setups are. There we go. NQ 2-minute, and here's my trades, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me explain my trades to you, because they don't really line up with what I talk about, do they? They don't. You want to know why? Because of fear. That's why. Fear always gets in the way, stops you from doing what you want to do. So anyway, but not just fear, price action too. My first trade, it was because of the price action and it was because of the open. Okay, here's the open right here. Okay, I already drew in the divergence. Doesn't line up perfectly, but you can see it was divergent. So where is the entry on this trade? It's right here. It's right exactly right here. Let me make this bigger so you can see it much clearer. Okay? See how I keep my chart right in the middle where the candles are? I don't put it way the fuck over here so you're going like, what the fuck's that? And it causes you to get a kink in your neck because you're looking all the way to the right? No. I put my fucking chart right here, man, right in front of me. So I can see right in front of me without hurting my neck what I need to do. Okay, let's get back to this. So, this was the open, this was the chop. You see all that freaking chop in there? Who knew where it was going? You see this white dashed line here? Let me show you what that is. I want to show anybody new here today what that is and how important it is. Okay, look. That's the high of yesterday. This is the yesterday line. That's the high. Okay? See this yellow, big ass yellow dash line? That's the low of yesterday over here. Okay? I think it's very important you mark that on your chart every day before you start to trade. But you don't have to. It's up to you. Okay? But look at how many times went up to this line here, and they sold off of it, and again, right there, and again, and again, and again. See what I'm saying? Yes, they trade off that line, man. Trust me, they do. Okay? Okay. Now, stamp charts, eh? Okay. I didn't get in the trade here. I knew there was divergence up here. I didn't get in until here because I wanted it to break through this chop shop shit. I wanted to get them get through it. So they got through it. I jumped in and I closed the trade right there at that line, 15,550. Why did I close it there? Because I thought it was going to bounce back up. But instead, they took it almost to the main pivot of the day, then they bought and bounced it up. Okay? Now, right here, this is not one of my trades where higher close, candle, sell, down it goes. It wasn't one of those because they exceeded the moving averages, okay? However, come on, you little... This next one right here, see, higher close. I was looking at it. I wanted to trade it, but fear was in the way. So I wanted it to prove to me that we're gonna maybe go down again here, right? So I waited till here to get in, which is a mistake, but it was the fear. because we're selling near the low. And selling near the low is not the way to go. Buying near the high is not the way to trade. It's the opposite. So that's why my fear stalled me from getting in the trade. But anyway, I should have been in from way up here. Okay, another God knows how many points, a whole bunch of them. So if I would have sold there instead, look at that, 86 ticks, man. 86 ticks less I'm making because I got in down here. Okay, then we had another higher close, but they're above the moving averages. See that? There would be no selling, no selling. So then here's the divergence, right? You can see it right there and right here. Okay, this one's off, but there it is. See? Yeah, let me put on the nice arrow right here. So I was here for this trade. I got right in there and a little bit of stalling, and I got out. Where did I get out? Oh, I got out. Did I get out there? Oh, I did. See, I must have been scared again. I bought it here. Yeah, I got out there. Then I wait, and I go, look at this sucker. It's really going. Right? It's really going. So I'm just trying to tell you every step of the way of what I was thinking when I was doing these trades today, to show you that you're not alone. Even though you have something amazing that gives you setups, there's fear and whatever price action that's in the way that stops you from doing what you really want to do. Because we're all emotional creatures and we don't just go, okay, buy, okay, sell, okay, take profit. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this one I said, well, we're very strong now. I think I can almost assure myself we're going to go right back up to this white line, which was the high of yesterday. And I was right. It went up to the freaking white line. So anyway, I got in and I got out right here. And I got out right here because, oh, my fear again. Oh, look at this. Look at this over here. Look at this to the left. That's probably going to come back down again and, you know, pitter-patter around down here or something. That's what I thought. That's what was running through my mind. You know, so I got out with a profit. So anyway, I done 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think I did 4 trades, and they were all winners. So it was a good day in the trading neighborhood. The neighborhood, the neighborhood. Yeah, that's from Sesame Street. Trade Sesame Street smart. Okay, enough. Anyway, as you can see, another little lower close candle. It worked. Another one here. Would you want to buy up here? Yeah, I wouldn't, but look, it worked too. Looks like we might have a super duper trending day way up today. Doesn't mean it'll happen. We could sell right back down into the middle here before we do it. Who knows? But anyway, it's 11:02. Trading is over. Okay. So that was my trades for today. I wanted to show you that no, I don't do this perfectly like how I say, like I say, this is where you get in. Here's the divergence. You know, it's not always that way. There's obstacles that can stop you from doing whatever. And this sell right here, I should have been selling up here. But I didn't because I wanted it to clear through the chop. So see, there's the obstacle. There was no obstacle here, and I got in at the right place. Why can't I hold it all the way up to here? Why? Because I'm a scalper and I don't trade like that. That's why. I wish I wasn't a scalper and I was more so a person that holds on, but then you look at it in the way that, oh, if I hold on, then it's going to reverse and go the other way on me. You know what I mean? But just remember, next time you're in a trade, 80% of the time, it chops up and down or turns corners, okay? Turn a corner, turn a corner, turn a corner, okay? Turn a corner. Think of it like as a race car. You're driving a race car. You gotta turn the corner. When you come up to the corner, when you come down to the corner, you gotta turn. You gotta do a 180 and go the other way. Or yeah, it's a 180, not a 360. 360 is a donut. I don't know about down there in the States, in the winter states, if you guys do 180s or 360s, but that's what we call them up here in Canada. Yeah. Yeah, my niece and nephew, when they were like 5 years old, we'd go to the mall parking lot and do donuts in the snow. They just loved it. Yeah, lots of fun. They're all grown up now. They're like 35 years old. Fuck. It's a long time ago, but it was fun. Anyway, let's, okay, so we covered all the NASDAQs and the ES. No, we didn't cover this. We didn't cover this. Hold on. 5 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. Do we have a trade? We do, but it was the news. See how they're buying off this white line here? This is the high of yesterday, I think. Yeah, see? It's the high of yesterday. See that? See how they're buying off there? Do you see how important it is? See, let me show this to you. Let me explain this to you. When price comes up to a major resistance level, they sell off of it. Not always, but they sell off of it. When price comes down to a major level, they buy off of it. Okay? It's the same thing. It's support and resistance. Professional traders will sell off of resistance and buy off of support. Okay? That's why you got sellers in here right now. They're probably thinking, oh, it's going to go back down. Let's sell. Let's sell. Right? Right. Okay. Let's look at the 2 minute now. We got some trades here. We have a high and a retracement and a higher high, which is divergence. So if you would have sold it, hold on, let me do this right here. So you would have sold it. Come on. You don't get it in just the right place, it goes wacko. Right on the opening of this candle. That's another thing with this trading system, is that I can tell you the exact time we get in a sell or a buy according to the divergence. And here, it's right here on the opening of this candle, right here, okay? That's where you would sell. So if we got in right there, okay, max pips potential, or no, ticks, not pips, 53 ticks it went down. Would have you got 53 ticks? Of course not. That's the maximum potential you could have got if you happen to get in right there and get out right there. And there was a reason to get out right here. It's right here, see? Okay. Now over here, what do we have over here? We have a low, a retracement, and a lower low right there. Okay? And you would have entered at exactly this candle right here, whether you got in right here or waited for a pullback. That was your entry. Let me make this bigger so you can see this. There we go. So, max pips potential with this trade, let's say you got in right here, right up to there, 56 ticks. About the same as the sell. See? Now, where were there trades along the way? Oh yeah, right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. Now, this one, ooh, it closed just above the moving averages. Could have been a sell if it was. Woo, it scared the living woo-ha out of you. Okay. Here's another one. Higher close, down it goes. Higher close, down it goes. See, all you do is you just take your chart. You make it big, man. Big like this. So you can see the candles. You can see them clearly if this is what you want to do. Now, on the way up, lower close, buy it, up it goes. This is a 2-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. They don't have to be huge, but the bigger the better, as long as they do not exceed the moving averages, okay? So, right here, lower close, up it goes, lower close, see the tiny one, like a little spin top? Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And it finally paid off over here. So anyway, that's the pullback trades, which works so beautifully. I hope some of you are taking advantage of it. If there is, I'm just going to ask, if there is any of you guys who've traded these lower close up it goes or higher close down it goes setups, put a comment in the underneath the video. I'd love to hear from you. Okay. And what you think of this little strategy of mine, because that's something I never got that from anybody. Everybody knows buy the dip, sell the rallies, right? Well, I guess you could say these lower closing candles are a dip or a rally, but no one's ever said it the way I said it, where you wait for them to close, like right here. Lower close, right there on the close, as soon as it closes, boom, you buy it and up it goes. See, right here, higher close, boom, as soon as it closes, sell it, down it goes. See, I've never heard anybody explain it exactly like that before. So anyway, I'm just curious if you've traded some of those setups and is it working for you? Would just like to know. Lots of talking today. I'm sorry. I gotta take a little breather. Okay. Got some water. I'm good. Let's look at the pound. We're looking at the 15-minute. Oh, maybe we can go down to the 5 today. Yes, we can. Okay, first trade of the day is within 20 minutes of the open. Okay, so right there you would have sold it. But that was before the news. Just remember that. Okay, let me show you the setup. It's right here. No, it does not have to go to this high. No, as long as it's a higher high than where you drew it from. Okay? Just like that. And you would have gone in right on the opening of this candle. Okay? Short, that is. And down it went. 54 points. Gotta like that. Now, do we have another setup? Let's see. Let's make this bigger. Oh, now I got the hiccups. See? Does not have to be drawn to here. It does not. Okay? And you're only going to get in anyway when this candle right here closes back down below the 5 and the 7, and the 7 crosses down. So even though you're not drawing it to the high here, okay, let me show you in the bottom. It's from right here to right there, or maybe it's right in the middle here. It's weird how sometimes the OSMA does not draw, you know, the little doodah. I guess it was 0. It was 0. Yeah, it must be 0, and that's why it doesn't draw one. Yeah, that's got to be it. Anyway, the sell trade was right here. Let me show you. Right on the opening of this candle right here. Okay? And from right there down to S3, it's 38 points. That's some money. Okay, now you see, here's a trade right here. See the higher close, sell it, down it goes. But that was the news, so I wouldn't count that one. Forget that one. So then when we came down here, because it closed above the moving averages, I would not take that trade, because there's a chance a lot of the time when price closes above the moving averages, it keeps going up. That's why that's my one filter, not to sell it. Okay? Okay. And that's it. That's it for the pound. There was good points there. 54 from the top and another 38 from the midpoint. Let's take a look at the euro now. Oh, euro. Bad euro. Bad. Bad boy. It was bad. It's like a big baton, but it's 2 candles. Shit, eh? Where's the trade? I know there's a trade. From here to here. Yeah. No, there's no trade there. Well, that's not good. Okay, so there's the news, right? The only trade I see is, for most people, it would be scary. Higher close right here. Sell on the opening of this candle, and down it goes. Here's another one. Higher close, sell it. Oh, this is the 15-minute, ladies and gentlemen. And down it goes. 2 good trades there with almost 0 drawdown. You see that? That's another really amazing, powerful thing about trading this strategy that I'm teaching you right here, is a lot of the times that's exactly what they'll do, is they'll rally it right up, and the next candle, for some reason, it just sells off. And again, sells off. You know what I think it is, eh? I think it's manipulation from the actual exchange. Yeah. We're waking up here, exchange. Just like a lot of other people are waking up suddenly. Yeah, there's a lot going bye-bye suddenly, but there's a lot of people suddenly waking up. And if you know what I'm talking about, people, you know. That's all I'm going to say. I don't need to say another damn word about it. We're waking up. Me, I woke up, it was around 20 years ago, but I still didn't know what was going on. And then, well, we all know what happened 3 years ago. When that happened, I went, what the hell is going on here? So I sat there and I thought and I thought and I thought about it, and it still didn't come to me. And then I pieced everything together and put it all together and woke right up and went, oh my God, This is insane. Yeah, that's what happened. It's crazy. Crazy world we live in. And they're trying to do it again. Fuck. Anyway. The craziest thing I seen, and I'll say it on my channel if they want to kick me off, go right ahead, I don't care, is there's this bank downtown on the main street here. It's over 100 years old, okay? And I noticed this on the side of the building. Actually, what I'm about to say is, I first noticed this is like 10, 15, it wasn't more than 20 years ago, but it was about 10 or 15 years ago. And I went to the hospital. I can't remember what was wrong with me. And you know all the doctors in the white coats, right? The white lab coats. And they had the logo on there. And I'm looking at the logo, I'm going, is that what I think it is? That's what I'm saying to myself, right? I'm going, no, can't be. And then I looked at, when he came closer to me and he was talking to me, asking me what's wrong, I look closer and I go, is that two snakes pointing at each other, swirled around a sword that's standing up? He goes, yeah. And I go, well, what the fuck is that? What does that mean? He goes, oh, I don't know. He's there. Crazy logo we have for our, you know, profession or whatever. I said, crazy, huh? Okay. And that kind of woke me up a little bit. I'm going, what the fuck? Anyway, to finish this off, the other day, I was driving in my car downtown main drag, and I was stopped at a light, and the bank was right there, about 25 feet from me. Can you guess what I saw on the side of this bank? Not going to say any names, okay? And it's over 100 years old, ladies and gentlemen. On the side of this bank, there was the same logo that was on the doctor's white lab coat. What the fuck does two snakes and a sword have to do with banking? Oh yeah, I'd love to say their names, but I'm not going to say them. So there you go. Time to wake up, folks. Time to wake up. Anyway, let's take a look at oil. Oh, very choppy. Oh, that reminds me. I have to show you something from yesterday that I didn't see till after. Okay, anyway, let's get through this and I'll show you that and we'll end the video. No, that's above that one. Oh, shit, there's no trade here to buy that up? Oh, here's one. See, if you look hard enough, you can find one. If it doesn't work, just adjust it. Just adjust it like that. Oh, yeah. I'm fucking funny, eh? I do that sometimes because I know that it's just not this that's going to get me in the trade. I need the 5 to cross up above the 7, and I need price to close up above it, which tells me, okay, we're probably going to go up, right? So it's not, it doesn't all, it almost doesn't matter that it's fucking divergent or not. Okay, you see what I mean? Like this? But it is. It's divergent, man. See? It's divergent. Okay? See what it got in right here. Let me show you. On the close of this candle right there. And it went up. Only 36. Okay, that's enough of that. So now let's go back and let's look at the NQ. Was it the 5 minute? Yeah, it was the 5-minute. Now, do you remember yesterday? This is only for people that were here yesterday and watched yesterday's video. Do you remember me talking about, oh, look, there's no divergence here. Look, we have a double bottom here. We can't even discount the news wick and buy it here and up it goes, right? But there was divergence, ladies and gentlemen. It was hidden divergence. See? Sometimes you can't see them. That's why I call them hard to see. I saw this in the afternoon, many hours later. See how I missed this trade? And there was other times too where I went and I looked at the charts after and I missed trades. I missed them. I didn't see them. When I was doing the video, I didn't freaking see them. See? So this is the way it goes with divergence. This is another kind of conspiracy or whatever. We'll debunk it right now that, oh, divergence doesn't work. It'll show you after the fact signals, whatever. Believe me, you could have got in this trade if you would have saw it to begin with. Okay? Right there, get in. With potential. Yeah, I bought yesterday and I rode through this craziness all the way up here. Anyway. So max potential was right here. 361 ticks. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that trade because I couldn't see it yesterday. It was hidden from me. It was right in front of my freaking eyes, but I couldn't see it. So anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy, and I like to trade divergence for one super duper simple reason. It works, man. It works. I proved it again to you today. You need to start trading divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me. Keep coming back to this channel. So anyway, thanks for listening and watching. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe, it would be super. It's free to like and it's free to subscribe. Good luck and good trading.